Word up, Florida Brasspineapple Productions. This is Jason over here on the whiteboard session of July 8th, 2026 on a Wednesday. And I guess I'm addressing Southwest Florida and anyone who's looking at this video or watching this video. If you have a business and you're looking to expand your marketing, feel free to give me a call at 239-220-8340. I've had that number for 15 years. It's pretty solid. I'll pick up, leave a message. If it goes to voicemail, just leave a little message. I'll get right back to you. And maybe we can come up with a little quick game plan if you don't have a lot going on with the marketing. Say it's a mom and pop business, you're just kind of starting out and that sort of thing. I can go over here, I can do a raw shoot for you. I can do free editing, put some music in the background, put it on 3 platforms over here: Google Maps, Instagram, YouTube. The client gets a copy, of course. Initial charge for just a basic weblog, pick up funnel page, that sort of thing. Not a replacement for a website, but an addition to. See, that's an addition. Supplemental, it'll add to it, $69. Then I go in there and do some more work. We can talk about a little bit more pricing on it if you want more elaborate, like brasspineappleproductions.com or brasspineappleproductions.blogspot.com is the main webpage that I use. You can see that when you go on Google. If you put in Brass Pineapple, it'll come up. I have a little Google listing area. Hit the website, it'll go right to it. And there's also a contact area. So if you go in there and you hit the contact, you can fill it out and you can reach me that way. But I do like the direct phone. I'm good with that. I'll always pick up if I can. I'll never say no. Just as long as you leave a voicemail if I'm not there, that's key. Because if you don't, I won't know, I won't see it, I won't respond. That's big. And the video project alone is $99. What you get the raw shoot, you get all that stuff that I mentioned before. So basically for $170, under $170, you got yourself a little landing page and a whole bunch of videos to go with it, and I'll give you copies and I'll promote it on those 3 for that price. And that's it. It's all video marketing. It's all here in the 239, and it's all my passion project. And I'm going to continue to do so because I do like marketing. I like doing what I do. I like meeting new people, and I like helping local business. So like, subscribe, share, comment, or don't. Either way, it's appreciated. Best video. God bless. Video to the peace. I'm out.